default scene you see after clicking on the splash screen. So this is used in transforming objects wholly and cannot be edited individually. So if you want to transform this cube, it can be transformed as a whole and not as an individual cube. So transforming it with maybe J moves the cube wholly, S moves the cubes wholly, R rotates the cube wholly. So this is used in transforming objects wholly. And now in edit mode, it is used in transforming objects individually. To access this, go to here and then go to edit mode, or you can simply press the tab key to access the edit mode. And this can be edited individually. We can edit the vertices, we can edit the edges, we can also edit the faces. So when we move G, transform this face, or we transform the edges, or transform the vectors. When we tap back into object mode, we cannot transform or do anything about this transformed cube. What we can only do is to transform it as a whole and not as an individual object. So in order to go back, you have to simply press Ctrl Z, Ctrl Z, Ctrl Z on your cube, on your keyboard, and then Ctrl Z, and to Ctrl Z to object mode. So this object mode is used, as I said earlier, transforming objects as a whole. Now we can Shift D on this, and then we can select two objects into edit mode, and then we can edit them together. We can edit the two objects together in edit mode. So however, these two are separate objects, and they cannot be joined if in edit mode. So if you want to join these two objects by pressing F on your keyboard, it wouldn't join it. So we can simply go to object, and then, or let's can simply just press Ctrl J on your keyboard to join it. So you can go back to edit mode, and now when we press this, it's going to fill it. By pressing F, it's going to fill. When we press this faces here, and then this one, and by pressing bridge, it's going to join, it's going to bridge it. But however, if you didn't join it in edit mode, it would be able to bridge the meshes. So as a pro tip, object mode is used to transform object as a whole, and then edit mode is used to transform objects individually.